Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Digicam versus Lightroom versus Darktable. Best photo editing software. Choosing the best photo editing software, let's compare Digicam, Lightroom, and Darktable. Digicam is a free, open source photo manager, perfect for organizing large libraries with support for raw and metadata. But its editing tools are basic and the UI feels a bit outdated. Lightroom, on the other hand, remains industry standard. It offers cloud sync, AI powered tools, and seamless integration with Photoshop, but comes at a subscription cost. Then there's Darktable, an advanced, open source raw editor with powerful tools, perfect for professionals who want full control without paying a cent. However, it has a steeper learning curve, so if you need structure, go with Digicam. Want powerful polish tools, Lightroom wins, prefer control, and zero fees, Darktable's your pick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.